Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I am going to do a double Dutch pour, meaning I'm going to use a hairdryer and an airbrush to get the effect that I want. I've got all my paints ready, so let's get down to it. In today's video, we are going to use Artist Loft White, Artist Loft Black, Artist Loft Bright Red that I've muted down with a little bit of raw umber, Artist Loft Metallic Gold, this custom cream beige gray color that I came up with that I really like. It's a blend of Artist Loft colors. This is Artist Loft Copper and Artist Loft Bright Yellow that I've muted down with some more raw umber and a splash of black. So let's get our canvas prepped. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of white. I don't know why I still have my spoon in here. So we're going to start with the white, but we're going to torch this baby first. A little tip about torching: when you're torching it, watch it from the side. So watch your flame and watch how close you are to your paint. And also, especially when working with black, you can watch where your air bubbles are popping and where you've got a big group of them, and so that way you know what you're doing and you're not getting too close to the paint, because that is as low as that flamethrower goes. I mean, it's just a little one too. It's not one of these big industrial ones. It's not a very big one. This thing can throw flame like nobody's business. Okay, so we're going to start with a little bit of white. There we go. Surround it with the black. And we're going to blow this over. All right, I really like that one. But I want to do some little wispies in some of the spots, so let's go in with the airbrush. And I have it on high. Okay, let's try torching this. Let's let that sit for a little bit and we'll come back to it. All right, it's been about 20 minutes and I thought I'd come in. I really like how this one turned out. These close-ups never do them justice. If you found value in this video, please click that like button. If you like this video and would like to see more just like this, please click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell. That'll let you know when we go live or when we upload new content. Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.